Hey guys, we received this Hot Me Fit GPS smartwatch for test and try. So this is a Model T3E and is a six satellite positioning system with a compass, stainless steel body, waterproof, extra large battery, answer and make call with the Bluetooth, and then all these different features. So the T3E model. So let me just open. Comes in a really nice gift box packing, and as you can see, this is the watch. So this is a silicone band in here, but this also have a metal band that I will show it to you. So this is the main watch with the stainless steel uh, finish. So let me just take out everything and then show it to you. So it's a very nice round watch with the sensors in the back, and they're all waterproof. So let me just start the watch, and it just started. You select the things you have to install with the app, and then once installed, you can easily see that one and add the device. You can choose the watch. So start pairing up and just say OK on the watch, and it get paired. So it's pretty quick pairing process with the app, and then you can of course update and check everything from this app. So meanwhile, it get updated. I will show you like all the other accessories that comes with this watch. So this is the chain and the band and the tools to adjust this chain. This is the charging cable for the watch. So the USB, one side, you can just put it on the USB, and then there is a magnetic thing in the back, and the watch will start charging. So I will show that in the later part as well. But quickly, I'm just trying to show you all the different things in here. It's right now updating, so I'm not touching till this get update. So this one is a really nice metal chain as well that you can easily replace this with these hooks. So this is a heavy metal watch. So people who like the metallic band, they can use this metallic band. But I like the lightweight silicone band, so I will use that. This comes with the screen protector as well for the watch, so you can install it, and all these instructions are provided. Just put that screen protector and try to see like all these air bubbles and everything is all out, and then you can just take the top protective covering out of it. So once all out, you can clearly see such screen protective thing as well. So it's up to you if you want to use that or not. And there are the tools to adjust the length of this chain. So you can there are the extra screws and the clips provided, so you can see like what you can adjust and things. On the hand, I feel like really comfortable band with this silicone one, and the watch is also nice. So once this is all updated, I can show you some of the features. So once updated, you can see like the different watch face, and you can also use the app to change the watch faces. So they have a really nice different features that you can use. All the other health features, sport features, satellite, GPS, compass, and all other things. So and you can also change the watch face. So let's start loading the watch face on the watch. And once this will be all done, you can see the watch face. So see like the watch face is all updated, and you can see a really nice new look. This is really smooth touch screen as I can feel from this, all the different features in here. And then you can have fun using all these features. You can also measure the different stuff or the sports activities. that are plenty of it inside it, and you can do that as well. But I like the flow and the touch. This is really nice. And you can start measuring things, but I cannot show due to some restriction on Amazon and things. But yeah, so this works really nice, and there's a compass that you can use directly on your hand, and it can watch everything. You can set up the stuff, you can see the things, and you can use this watch really smoothly and nicely. This is a real nice HD display as well, and then with the Bluetooth connection, calls and things will also notified on your watch, and you can use that as well. For the charging, as I said, like this showing the charging, so it's a nice watch that you can use.